Still watching TV the old way on DTH? Experience a whole new way of enjoying TV at home with JioFiber's new entertainment offering. Unlike DTH, where you only get limited TV channels, with JioFiber, the entertainment is truly unlimited. You get all your favorite digital TV channels in HD. 16 plus popular OTT apps. Unlimited YouTube on TV. Ultra-fast internet. All of this at just Rs 599 per month. With JioFiber, you can now catch up with your favorite TV shows at any time and as many times as you like. You can even enjoy all previous seasons of your favorite TV shows at your own convenience. This is truly not possible with most DTH offerings. Remembering channel numbers on DTH is such a hassle. With JioFiber, you can simply speak into our voice-active remote to easily find your favorite TV show or channel. Our voice search is also available in 15 regional languages. So, experience a whole new way of enjoying TV at home with JioFiber.